In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a blog post to ShopWired, a powerful e-commerce platform. If you've been wondering how to get started with blogging on ShopWired, you're in the right place. Stay tuned till the end because I'm going to share a great alternative that might be even better for your needs with a free trial that you won't want to miss. So let's dive right into it. First thing you need to do is log into your ShopWired account and head to your admin dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Content section in the sidebar menu. Click on it and then select Blog from the drop-down. Now you're at the blog section, and here's where the magic happens. Next thing you'll want to do is click on the Add New Blog Post button. This opens up a page where you can create and format your blog post. You'll see a rich text editor where you can add your title, text, and images, just like you would in any other blog editor. The third thing is making sure you've got all the SEO elements set up. Under your post editor, you'll find options to add a meta description and SEO title. This is key if you want your post to rank well in search engines. Make sure to include relevant keywords like ShopWired blog post and other terms you want to target for better visibility. Once you've added your content and SEO details, the next step is to categorize your blog post. ShopWired lets you categorize your blog posts, which is a great way to keep things organized and make it easier for customers to find the posts they're interested in. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the publishing options. You can either publish your post immediately or schedule it for later. This is really handy if you want to time your posts for a specific date or event. Just select your preferred option and hit the Save button. After that, you'll want to preview your blog post before it goes live. You can do this by clicking the Preview button, which shows you exactly how your blog will look to your visitors. If everything looks good, go ahead and click Publish. The final step is making sure your blog post is accessible to your visitors. ShopWired automatically adds a blog section to your site's navigation so visitors can easily find and read your posts. However, you may want to customize the layout or add links to specific posts on your homepage or product pages to increase visibility. Now, while ShopWired does a good job with its blog post integration, I want to talk about an alternative that might be even better depending on your needs. If you're looking for a more versatile platform that also allows for easy integration of blog posts with e-commerce features, I highly recommend checking out Insert Competitor Name. They offer a robust content management system with powerful blogging tools and better customization options. But before we wrap up, I want to let you in on something special. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial. Not only that, but we've secured additional benefits for you that aren't available anywhere else. So, whether you decide to stick with ShopWired or try out the alternatives, I hope this video gave you the tools to get started. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the link in the description for the best free trial offer.